So you're looking for a good drawing tablet for beginners. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Huion Inspiroy H950P. Hi guys, my name is Katie and I create art videos. Consider subscribing so you don't miss out on more content like this. You can expect to see product reviews, speed paintings, and tutorials on this channel. Also, check the description box below so you can read up on the specs for this tablet and see what the current price is. So, without further ado, let's get started. The packaging for this Huion tablet is very simple and clean. It has a nice looking design. In the box we have a carrying bag so that you can take your tablet with you on the go. It also includes a thank you note. This thank you note is really adorable. Look at this little guy on the inside of the note. Here we have the warranty card and a little piece of paper that looks like it's just telling you to go install the drivers. The stylus is battery free. It has a button on the side where you can program 2 keyboard shortcuts. We have a pen holder where you can place your stylus vertically or horizontally. If you turn the pen holder over, we have a nib extractor on the bottom. And if you open it up, you have 8 extra nibs inside. We have the instruction manual here. I don't really think we're going to need this, but here it is. We have a USB cord so you can connect your tablet to your desktop or laptop. This tablet has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. It has tilt function built into it as well, which I will demonstrate later. And other brands have been popping up on the market lately, and I just really wanted to try this one out. I've been playing around with the tablet a little bit, and I really think this is a great product for the price you're paying. It's about $80 on Amazon. The closest Wacom product I could find to this that had similar specs was the Intuos Medium Pro, and it's $350 on Amazon. So yeah, you do the math. The Huion tablet is significantly cheaper. The tablet also has an active area of 8.7 by 5.4 inches. It has 8 hotkeys that you can program to whatever keyboard shortcuts you would like. The tablet also has a really nice texture to it, so it has a little bit of resistance and feels pretty good to draw on. Okay, to install the drivers, you need to go to Huion's website. Find the page for the Huion Inspiroy H950P and scroll down the page. You'll see a section that says product details. Next to that, you will want to click on download. Then select whether you are on a Mac or PC. Before you go install the drivers, you need to make sure that you uninstall all previous tablet drivers from your computer. You can adjust the orientation of your tablet so you can flip it if you are left-handed. Here we could test out the pressure levels. You can also adjust the pressure sensitivity here too. And you can program the stylus here as well. Here you can set up the hotkeys for your keyboard shortcuts, so Control S for saving or whatever shortcuts you normally work with. Here I have Photoshop open and I am just testing out the tilt function on the tablet, and as you can see, I have a brush here that has a 3D representation, so you can see that the angle of the brush is changing a bit. But what's really exciting to me about this tablet is the pressure sensitivity, which is really great for blending with opacity in Photoshop and Krita, or at least that's how I like to work. I had 2 bamboo tablets that I've had for years. I never really enjoyed working with them very much. They just did not have the pressure sensitivity that I wanted, and this feels so much better. This is the first tablet that I've worked with that has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, and I can really tell a difference. Here I am testing out the pressure sensitivity of my tablet. If I press lightly on the stylus, I get a much lighter mark, and if I press down harder, the mark becomes darker. So I have a subtle transition from a light blue to a much more saturated blue. I have a question for you. Did this review help you in making a decision on what drawing tablet you want to purchase? Comment down below and let me know. Also, subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss out on tutorials. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!